If you need healing, Unjalo. If you need a comforter, Unjalo. Pelulingalabe libanzi. Ongqoshe wesu. Mafunga ngathi. Unginguye nguye. Wayikhona umhlaba ungakabi bikho. Namhlanje igama lakhe. It's famous through all generations. Jesus.